Hey guys, it's Michael here, and welcome to the Ultimate Guide of Digital Marketing course that we're offering. So, anyways, before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much for giving me your time and at the same time as for attending this particular event. This is going to be a 9-part video series that you guys should definitely pay attention. I truly suggest that as it goes, you guys make sure that you guys take some notes. And at the very same time, is don't just watch this training just to say you had training. Keep on going back to the videos, the training that we're giving you guys, because that's how you're going to be able to absorb it and do things better for you guys. All right. So make sure you guys pay good attention. Also, just to be able to give you guys a background to myself, just to let you guys know, I've been a nurse for a long time, but at the very same time as I've been in the business aspect of things and the business that I've owned, I've used the process of digital marketing since the beginning of time. So I've been in the whole digital marketing realm since 2006. And so I've been using and doing digital marketing for a lot of my business for a long time. And then at the very same time as I have a consulting firm in which we work with a lot of healthcare organization companies to be able to help them with their digital marketing strategies. But at the very same time as we also do content creation for a lot of companies. And that's pretty much my biggest background. So I've been leading a whole team who handles digital marketing for a lot of companies. And I definitely want to be able to share the information that I want to be able to give with you guys, especially in this particular course. So first of all, thank you so much. I want to be able to let you guys know this is going to be the perfect resource for any beginner person who's trying to get into digital marketing to be able to maybe start their own company in digital marketing or to maybe use the strategies that we teach you guys into your own businesses and companies that you're working with, right? So this is meant for beginners, but at the very same time, you'll be surprised how many advanced digital marketers attend these courses and then they realize, oh my God, that's something that I did not know. And that's the purpose, guys, of educating yourself. Is sometimes is you may attend a course and you may know most of the stuff, but then all of a sudden there's those minor things that you learn that makes things even better for you, right? So make sure you attend and you pay attention. You pay close attention. I truly suggest if you're attending a course, put your cell phone down. Now, if you're using your cell phone to listen and to watch the video, that's perfectly fine. But what I'm saying is remove any distraction, you know, put your phone in vibrate mode so you're not receiving any messages. Avoid any social media right now. All I'm asking is that you guys give me some full attention to be able to, for me to share with you guys some amazing information, okay? So let's get started. So, this guide in digital marketing is full of insights. It's full of strategies for business owners, for marketing professionals, for students, or pretty much anyone else out there looking to hone their current skills to pretty much get up to speed on the latest in digital marketing, okay? So we always have to define this. So what is digital marketing really? Well, digital marketing is that act of promoting and selling products and services by leveraging online marketing tactics, such as social media marketing, search engine marketing, and email marketing as well. So if you're new to digital marketing, it may feel overwhelming. I get that. I truly do. But in many ways, digital marketing is no different than traditional marketing. In both smart organizations, right? What they do is they seek to develop mutually beneficial relationships with prospects, leads, and customers. Now, think about the last important purchase you made. Think about it. Perhaps you purchased a home, hired someone to fix your roof, ordered some pizza, changed paper suppliers at your office, ordered some Chinese food, maybe purchased something from Amazon, maybe you purchased something, from Walmart, or maybe you're in Asia and you purchased something from Lazada or something, or Shopee. Doesn't matter. Regardless of what it was, you probably began by searching the internet to learn more and find your best options. Your ultimate buying decision was then based on the reviews you read, the friends and family you consulted with, and the solutions, the features, the benefits, and pricing you researched. So today, most purchasing decisions begin online. That being the case, an online presence is absolutely necessary, regardless of what you sell. And having a strong digital presence will help you in multiple ways. It's going to help you make things easier to create awareness and engagement both before and after your sale. You can convert new buyers into fans who end up buying more or refer you to other people. You'll enjoy all the benefits of word of mouth and social sharing. Now, be aware though, the digital marketing scene is ever changing. You're going to have a bunch of gurus, some podcasts, some bloggers, some vloggers declare a tool or tactic hot one week and then dead the next. The truth is this: today, digital marketing is less about digital and more about marketing, largely because of digital marketing has come of age. Its fundamentals have already been established. Over here in our agency, our objective is to clear the confusion about the tactics that works and how to use them to grow your business. We stand against those so-called gurus or promoters out there who promote the next shiny object that will reportedly kill email marketing or digital advertising or pretty much make search engine optimization null and void. Here, we're all about the fundamentals. As you'll see in this training, these core disciplines of digital marketing will be critical to your business growth today, tomorrow, and for years to come. Each of these disciplines will be covered in each section of this training. So what will you learn in our training? Well, in chapter 1 or section 1, you're going to learn your digital marketing strategy template. It's the customer journey. This is the strategic foundation of everything we do here at our agency and that you will be doing in life when you become a digital marketer. It's the main template upon which every other digital marketing discipline and tactic is built. Learn all stages and how you will use them to create a winning strategy for your business. That's what you're going to learn in section 1. Section 2 is about developing a content marketing strategy. When you do it right, your content marketing will not only attract prospects, but also move them through a marketing funnel to drive more sales and grow your business. Learn how to plan your content marketing strategy and also how to create that perfect content. On section 3, it's more about crafting a digital advertising plan. The secret to powerful digital marketing is traffic. If you can master traffic acquisition, you can easily drive traffic, sales, and ultimately growth. Here, you will learn the secrets to crafting a digital advertising plan that actually works. Now, moving on to section 4, which is understanding social media marketing. Going social isn't simply about active on Facebook and Twitter. You need to be able to learn the social success cycle and how you can use it to attract your fans and followers, engage them, and of course, convert them to selling them a product or your services. In section 5, we're going to learn about following email marketing best practices. Forget any rumors to the contrary. I just want to let you guys know email is not dead yet. Email is alive and well. And if you know how to use it, it will help you exponentially grow your business. You're going to learn the role of email in a growing business and how you can use it to quickly move prospects and customers through the whole customer journey. Section 6 will be designing your search marketing strategy. Search marketing has radically changed in the past few years, but we see that as good news today, okay? It can boost your website's traffic and visitors. At the same time if you learn right way to do search engine optimization, you'll be surprised how much business and how much growth your company will have. In section 7, we're going to be talking about applying website analytics to your digital marketing. If numbers are not your thing, well, guess what? We got you covered. Website analytics are such a powerful tool for helping you figure out what's working and what's not, and what to do next. You're going to learn the process that we use here at our company, as well as companies that have used these strategies to create success, so that you can understand how to approach anyone out there, how to approach anyone easily. In section 8, we're going to talk about leveraging conversion rate optimization to drive growth. So conversion rate optimization may sound kind of hard or difficult, but it doesn't have to be that way. And it's critical to your success as a digital marketer. We're going to show you how to implement a simple framework that will guide everything you do as a digital marketer. So in each section, we're going to cover 4 key aspects to the strategy being discussed. the methods, the metrics, the lingo, and the roles. So when we talk about methods, these are the strategies and processes you will use to create your plan and execute it in your own business. This is the bulk of each section because in digital marketing, how you execute is a strategy and the key to success. So in this training, we share the exact methods that we use ourselves in our businesses. When we talk about the metrics, these are the numbers you'll watch to measure your success and identify areas that may need some adjusting or tweaking. Then the lingo. This is the terminology used by experts so you can communicate intelligently, even if you don't consider yourself a pro yet. But these are the lingos that you're going to hear if you end up hiring people who already have experiences to make up on your weaknesses. Lastly, the roles. These are the people in your organization who will likely have responsibility for planning and running each tactic. Now, I get it. Some of you guys are a new company or you guys are one of those small mom and pop companies maybe at first. So you might be pretty much in charge or have multiple hats in your company. But we want to be able to show this and teach you guys what other companies are doing that are successful. But in the beginning, I do understand that you may start off with a small amount of staff or even you by yourself in your garage. Now, we've organized this whole training in a logical progression. Though you can jump around, learning the tactics in whatever order you feel you need them, to be honest, I recommend that you actually go through these sections in order. Take your time. Make sure you pay attention, right? Make sure you rewatch the videos. Sometimes you don't even need to watch the videos, just have it on play while you're driving. I want to make sure that you guys apply what you learn, and when you feel you've got the methods up and running, move on to the next section. Our goal is that you'll be surprised at how quickly you can implement these tactics if you focus on them one at a time. Sometimes if you go through the whole thing and try to do everything, you might get overwhelmed. So sometimes going section by section will make you become more successful. Then, when everything is up and running, you can focus on optimizing and improving your processes for even maximum growth. So let me ask this question. Are you guys ready to start? I sure hope you're ready to start because this is going to be the beginning of your journey. A lot of you guys who's going to be starting your own marketing course, going to start your own marketing agency, or maybe you're trying to apply the knowledge you're going to get for your company, for whether you're a healthcare company trying to get patients or you're trying to create an online store to get business. It does not matter. The goal here is to create success for you guys. So I want to make sure that you guys answer that question. You have to say yes that you're ready to start, because if you're not ready to start, all I can say is that, put a pause on this and find a time when you guys are ready and if you guys want success, okay? So if you want and you are ready to start, let's go ahead and get started and let's move on to the first section of this training.